Discovering meaning. The journey of lost and then found. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful intricacies of the English language. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase, lost and then found. This expression is rich in meaning and often appears in stories, conversations, and even in our daily lives. Let's embark on this journey together to understand its depth and how you can use it in your English conversations. Lost and then found refers to something or someone that was missing and has been rediscovered or retrieved. The phrase encapsulates a journey from absence to presence, from being missing to being recovered. It's a powerful concept that speaks to the human experience, touching on themes of loss, search, discovery, and reunion. This phrase can be applied in various contexts, from the literal to the metaphorical. Literal sense: imagine you've lost your keys, and after a long search, you find them tucked behind a cushion on your sofa. In this scenario, your keys were lost and then found. Metaphorical sense: on a deeper level, it can describe personal experiences such as losing touch with a friend and then reconnecting years later. Here, the friendship was lost and then found. The concept of lost and then found is a prevalent theme in literature and media, symbolizing redemption, discovery, and the resolution of conflict. It's used to create emotional connections with audiences, illustrating the joy of finding something precious that was thought to be gone forever. Incorporating lost and then found into your English can add depth to your storytelling and conversations. Use it to describe personal experiences, to empathize with others, or to engage in creative writing. It's a versatile phrase that resonates with everyone's experience of loss and recovery at some point in their lives. We hope this exploration of lost and then found has illuminated its meaning and inspired you to reflect on your own experiences of loss and discovery. Whether it's a lost item, a person, or a piece of oneself, the journey from being lost to being found is a powerful narrative that connects us all. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to uncovering more language secrets with you. Keep learning, keep discovering, and see you in the next video.